Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix the slow downloading speed on Google Chrome. So I'm gonna show you how to speed it up, and this is gonna be an easy and a quick tutorial. And before we start, I just want to say to subscribe to my channel for other tutorials on Windows, League of Legends, Fortnite, etc. So basically what you want to do is just open Google Chrome and just click on the three dots that say customize and control Google Chrome, and click on the click on settings. Now you want to scroll to the bottom of the page and click on advanced. Once you're here, you need to disable user prediction service to help complete searches and URLs typed in the address bar. So you want to disable that, and disable user web service to help resolve navigation errors. So disable that too. And you want to enable send a do not track request with your browsing traffic, and click on confirm. Now close Google Chrome and open the start menu. Type internet options and click on the internet options control panel. So open it up. Now you want to go to the connections tab and click on LAN settings. Once you're here, you want to have automatically detect settings checked. So you want to check that and click on OK, click on apply, and click on OK again. Now just restart your PC, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment.
Falling down from the sky and from the